Being a toolmaker and starting up in the garage, to supply a tier 1 supplier and to penetrate the OEMs is not an easy task.
That door opened for Boksburg-based Naicker Toolmakers in May 2018 when the automotive tool manufacturer and supplier joined the ASCII Black Supplier Development Program, and they have not looked back.
A benchmarking was conducted at our company by a P&M analyst, and from there a project plan was developed together with requirements from Supreme Spring and Toyota South Africa Motors. So the whole theme of the project was for us to become OE capable.
Certainly from our initial dealings, which literally was from a garage, had been a small business, and moving to the premises that they are in now, we've seen great strides, improvements within the factory, standardizations from there. Our own business dealings with them have increased quite a lot. And these also fit into Toyota products as well.
And so there were a lot of criteria for us to fulfill, but where we were ahead of the game was with our quality management system at the beginning of it. I mean, within 2 or 3 months since the start date of the project, we had already achieved ISO 9001, the 2015 edition of the standard.
We targeted the auto sector because of the sustainable business that we can achieve from them. But it also helps us to enhance our processes. Basically, we're looking for a quality product. By working with the motor industry, they drive for quality performance, and that helps us change our systems to provide that quality product.
One of the positive things as well, I mean, Naicker has also passed its IATF 16949 quality systems. I think with that, it gives us the opportunity to also start approaching the other tier 1 manufacturers within the industry, as well as obviously Toyota themselves, to start looking at procuring parts from Naicker going forward.
Currently, most components in local manufacture are supplied by multinational subsidiaries known as Tier 1 suppliers. But it is in Tiers 2 and 3, smaller companies who build materials and subcomponents for Tier 1 manufacturers, that real opportunities exist. Opportunities now accessible to smaller local companies like Naicker Toolmakers through the introduction of ASCII's Black Supplier Development Program, delivered in partnership with high-volume manufacturers, including Toyota and their Tier 1 suppliers.
I think particularly with Naicker, I mean, the enthusiasm shown from the team is a major positive in that one, is that when we've had a few sort of setbacks, we've been able to regroup together with the Supreme and the Toyota team as well, look at them, go back, retrace our steps, and then move forward from there.
Being a toolmaker, I think the best possible tools you can make is for the automotive space. Knowing the industry in the state it is, from a toolmaking point of view, I'd like to help the industry and re-skill toolmakers in the country.